Okay, we're going to be pretty brief with Plantaris. Plantaris is has a very thin muscle belly and a long, thin tendon. It's such a very thin muscle belly that it does not have a strong function. It is a complete synergist to gastrocnemius, but it's very weak at that job. So the main thing that comes up for Plantaris is going to be, sometimes there'll be like a test question about the longest tendon in the body, and that is Plantaris. Let's just take a quicker look at this one. We don't work with it as much. All right, so here's a nice, make that bigger. Here's a nice view. This one on the right with gastrocnemius cut away. If you remove gastrocnemius, you can see Plantaris. So just this very small in the popliteal area, little muscle belly, and then this very long tendon. And muscles are, you know, directly as strong or weak as how many muscle fibers they have. So, you know, there's not as many muscle fibers in a little thin muscle like that as there is with a big muscle like this. So, you know, direct relationship to its strength. My guess, and it's just an educated guess, I think you need to do some research in it to ascertain this, but my guess is when they have, you know, little tiny muscles or appendages or organs that sometimes they're sort of vestigial or like a product of, you know, evolution, and, you know, maybe an animal that's positioned on four legs or in a different relationship to gravity, you know, this muscle might be more well developed or more important, but for us, it's, you know, a more minor muscle. So we have a weak plantar flexion of the knee, and but you will notice that it actually does share the same insertion as gastrocnemius and soleus. So it is the calcaneus via the calcaneal tendon, even though, you know, this upper part is this very skinny tendon. And then our origin, and I think this is a little detailed, and we don't tend to work up in there, is the lateral supracondylar line of the femur. So like I said, we're going to be quick on that one.